Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a healthy food haul. I went to the supermarket, that's Xtra Foods, and I also went to Pricesmart to pick up some items. So if you want to see what I got, just keep watching. So I'll start with the cold items, or the items that I usually put in my fridge. And the first item I got, these two items I got at Pricesmart. This will be blueberries, and this is 1 US dry pint or 551 ml. I usually get blueberries to put in my smoothies. This one is actually, I was so surprised to have gotten this much blueberries for, I think it was $30, because I usually get half of this size. The cartons usually come a bit smaller. I wish I had taken out one to show you guys. Let me go and get it and come back, right? So the blueberries that I usually get is this brand here, which is Sunbelle, and look at this. Look at this size of the container to this one. And I think I usually got this for, I used to get this for the same price, around $30 or probably more. So I was so happy when I saw this size. I mean, it's a different brand. It's MB, Merlino Brothers, Hamilton, New Jersey. So it says Jersey fresh as it gets. So I don't know if it's the brand, but I am so happy that I got more for $30. So these blueberries I usually use for my smoothie. If you want to see a close-up of the blueberries, right, so that's what they look like, and the carton usually have a little holes. What I do with this, I usually just rinse them off and then put them back in this same container and store them in the freezer, and it works very well. So when I take out, I just take out a handful and put it in my smoothie, right? Strawberries, these are strawberries that I usually pick up from Driscoll's, only the finest strawberries. This is this here. And I think this is usually for $44 at Xtra Foods. I can't remember. And I think I got it for cheaper at Pricesmart. So from now, I think I will be shopping for my foods at Pricesmart. I also use this in my smoothies as well. And but I usually wash them and slice them and bag them in Ziploc bags, right? Or freezer bags, any freezer bag. The next item I got is this right here. This is something I have been drinking for quite a while, but I try every time I go to the supermarket to pick up at least one of it, one or two. And it's kefir cultured low-fat milk smoothie, and this flavor is pomegranate. I've heard about so many benefits of kefir. This is by the brand Lifeway, and it says probiotic, 99% lactose free. So if you're lactose intolerant, I guess this would help. I'm not sure why it's not 100%, but it says 99%. So you be the judge, right? And this has, they said, what is kefir? Kefir is a tart and tangy, creamy cultured milk smoothie that contains live and active probiotic cultures and is high in protein, calcium, and vitamin D. Refreshing and effervescent, it has been popular in Eastern Europe for more than 2,000 years. Right? It says it's rich in calcium, it's naturally gluten-free, no artificial sweeteners, lightly sweetened with only 8 grams of added sugar. That's kind of still a good bit of sugar, but this is that. And the next item is also a drink, a Greek yogurt drink from the brand Chobani. Now if you have been following my Instagram, you guys know that I love this brand right here. This brand is awesome. I love their yogurt, so I decided to try the yogurt drinks that they have, and this one is mixed berries, and let's see what it has in there: raspberry, blueberries, blackberries, and other stuff. And this one has protein power. It says fuel yourself with the protein of natural deliciousness, crafted with authentic Greek yogurt. Right, 14 grams of protein, and it has probiotics in it, and it's kosher. Right, so I got this. I tried the green smoothie one drink just like this, and it was surprisingly great. Right, so I got this. And the next item that I have that I usually keep in the fridge is this here, and it's Swiss super sweet corn on the cob, and it says that you just have to put it in the microwave, or you can put it in some boiled water and then you eat it. And this is really tasty, just as it is. You can compare this to the KFC's corn on the cob. Alright, so I really like this. I don't eat it that often, but I buy it every once in a while, right, to go with my meal. So I got some stuff from Xtra Foods. As you guys know, it's where I shop. So I'm just gonna show you the healthy stuff that I picked up there. And this is Nova rice, gluten-free rice pasta. I usually get this pasta. And this is certified NSF gluten-free. And this one is the macaroni itself. It looks like. Right, and I got 2 packs of that, and I also usually get the spaghetti in the same brand. This is it here, and this is what it looks like here. Of course, also gluten-free. And I picked up a bag of brown rice. It's Island Grain Premium Local Brown Rice, locally grown. And it says it is grown in the fields of Caroni, a healthy choice, high in fiber. This is what this one looks like. Right, and the size of this is I'm not seeing. Alright, it's 1200 grams or 1.2 kg. And as we are on rice, this is another product I got. This is gluten-free brown rice pasta, vegetable rotini. It says it's free from wheat, gluten, soy, eggs, nuts, and milk. 100% whole grain, cholesterol-free source of fiber. This one looks like. So here's what it looks like up close, and as you can see, there is a little peephole here for you to see the grains or what they look like. I think Swiss also has this normal macaroni where it's colored, so that's a nice addition to it. And this one is from where? Maple Groves Food is the brand. It says all natural, and it has 100% brown rice flour, spinach powder, red bell pepper powder, and that's it. So that is awesome. No artificial colors or flavors, right? And this is actually a product of the US. So this is another product I got. And then something I picked up before but not this flavor, and it's the Nature's Earthly Choice All Natural Easy Quinoa Garden Vegetable. That's the flavor, and it's 100 premium 100% quinoa. So you would have seen me show this before. And this one is also non-GMO, project verified, 100% whole grain. This one cooks in 15 minutes as well, gluten-free, complete protein, non-GMO. And there's the steps at the back to cook it. It's just a very small pack, as you can see, and this is what it looks like up close. Right, I did try the other one. I think it was sun-dried tomato. I think that was the flavor, and this one is garden vegetable. It was okay, but I would not choose it again. But I would like to try this one to see what flavor it has, and it was very easy to cook, right? And this one is a new item that I picked up, and this is Xtra Cuisine, loaded with plant-based protein, organic edamame and mung bean fettuccine. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that part correctly, but this is what it looks like. This looks very, very pretty. As you can see, the beans are all around here. To give you a close up, I really like this. And this is what it looks like here in the pack. Right, as you can see, it's a dark greenish color, and it says non-GMO certified, USDA organic, certified gluten-free, high in protein. It says loaded with plant-based protein, organic edamame and mung bean fettuccine, and it is non-GMO project verified, USDA organic, certified gluten-free, high in protein, high in fiber, vegan. So this looked really good. It says 2.2 grams of protein per serving, 10 grams net carbs, low glycemic index, high in fiber, only beans. Right, and I really like the product, the picture, sorry. I really like the picture at the back there. I guess that's all the beans that are growing in the farm. And it's really, really nice. And it actually says 2% of proceeds support the Food to Try Foundation. That is interesting. So you're eating healthy and you're also giving back to the community. Alright, so they actually have a way how to prepare it. Actually, it's a recipe at the side here, so you can prepare it. Organic, right, with avocado sauce. It's the same thing with avocado sauce, and they're telling you how to do it. And this says organic edamame, green soybeans. Alright, so I did not realize that this had soybeans in it, so that means I would not be buying it again. Organic mung beans, product of China. Okay, I usually read my ingredients, but I did not read this because it didn't say anything about soybeans at the front. But anyways, I will try it, but I will not be buying it back because it has soybean in it. Alright, and the second to last item that I have is Smart Balance Creamy Natural Rich Rose. I'm not a peanut butter lover, but when I do eat peanut butter, I try to keep down low on the ordinary peanut butter. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this before in a haul, but this is the peanut butter I would usually get, and this, let me tell you guys, this is very, very expensive. So I don't get it every single month that I go because of that reason. This is peanut butter and oil blend, and it's also non-GMO project verified, ALA omega 3. It says it's a good source of omega 3 ALA, 20% daily value, 0 trans fat, naturally sweetened, no hydrogenated oils. So this is what this one looks like here. Right, and this one usually has the oil usually stays at the top, I guess because they don't use the ordinary oil. I'm not sure if you can see that. Yeah, you see how that's a bit runny there? Right there, that's the oil at the top. So usually when I take it out, I will have to mix it in with the peanut butter. That's the only thing I don't like about this. It says it's lactose-free, vegan, non-GMO, and gluten-free. It contains peanuts, dried cane syrup. The peanut butter is mixed with peanuts, dry cane syrup, salt, molasses, oil blend, which is oil blend, palm fruit, and flaxseed oil. It says no refrigeration necessary. Some oil separation is natural just before use, which is what I usually do. And the last thing I have is this right here. I usually get this milk. I can't remember if I showed you guys this before as well, but right, so this is the milk that I usually get, and it is silk almond milk, an excellent source of calcium. Let me take it this way. Oops. Oh, right, so it's 6 quarts and 90 calories. I usually get this size box. I opened it already, and it comes with 6 almond milk in it, and I buy this at Pricesmart. They're 4 in there now. I used 2 before. 1 is in the fridge and I used up 1. So this is what this usually looks like in the box. These I think I pay 100 and something for this. But when we buy them at the supermarket separately, they turn out to be more money than the ordinary one. And of course, this is dairy, gluten, and soy free, and they said to chill and chic well. So I usually keep this in the fridge and eat it cold, or drink it cold, sorry, with my cereal. Sometimes I warm it up, but yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do you eat any healthy foods? Do you buy any healthy foods at your supermarket? If so, be sure to let me know in the comment section below. Do have a blessed one. Bye.